After you arrive at your destination and unload your cargo, the next step is to pack up all of your cargo control items. This can be a long, tedious process, especially when you have to pack up several tarps, bungees, and winch straps. But it doesn't have to be this way. Mighty Products' Winch Strap Winder makes it easier and faster to rewrap winch straps. Here's how to use it. Hook the end of the winder onto your rub rail. Tighten down the winder on your trailer rail with the screw that is included. Install the winder part onto the handle of your winch strap winder. Place your winch strap flat hook onto the winder and start winding it up. Take the winch strap off the winder and use our rubber bands to keep it secure. A winch winder will save you time and get you back on the road quicker.